What's up? Welcome back to the Glamour Effect Designs. I'm Yada. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also, hit that bell link, that way you won't miss out on no new videos that I have coming your way. That bell link there will send you notifications every time I post a new video, so make sure you hit that button. Today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be bringing you all a home decor haul. If you follow the Glamour Effect Designs on Instagram, you'll see yesterday me and my dad took a little road trip to Ikea. I already had some items in mind that I wanted to pick up just to do some DIY videos on. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. First thing that I got is this picture frame here. This picture frame, sorry the focus is going in and out. This picture frame is actually a 16 by 20. It's 41 to 51 centimeters. It was actually only $9.99. Yes, $9.99 for this big old picture frame. You guys can't see, but above my bed I have like one big picture of like a little city. And I wanted to do something different. I always see these picture frames above people's bed, especially like the bed that I have. So I always see like three picture frames, three of the white picture frames. So I wanted to be a little different and do two instead of the three. So yeah, I got that. Okay, so I also got this little faux plant. As you guys know, these faux plants are very popular right now. I wanted to bring a little greenery in my room because it makes the room just look clean and fresh. This faux plant was actually only, I want to say like either $4.99 or $5.99 for this. And I'm probably going to put this like on my nightstand, do a little switcheroo there. So yeah, I got that. I also got this here. You can't see it. I don't know if you can see it for real, but that's what these are. These are magazine holders, or you can use them for books, whatever you want to use them for. This, I actually only needed one because I'm going to be doing a DIY project on it, but this was a pack of 5 for only $1.99, so I'm like, I might as well just get the whole pack of 5. So if I don't use them, I have them for future use. So yeah, I got that. And then lastly from Ikea, I got this table. You can kind of get a glimpse of it, but with Ikea, you know, you have to put everything together yourself. They want everybody to be a handy man or a handy woman. So yeah, this table was actually only $4.99, guys. $4.99. It came in white or black, but I wanted to get it in the white. I'm not even gonna try to butcher this name, but it looks like Marius, whatever. Yeah, so that's this table. So guys, my next piece is from Burlington. As you can see, I'm blinding y'all. This actually was only $5.99. So my room right now, I'm kind of going for like a blush pink, as you can see by my pillows and my cover here. Going for a blush pink rose gold color. So I thought this was super cute, and it was only $5.99, so I thought I have to have this in my room. So yeah, next piece. This is like a little candle holder. You can put like one of those little tea light candles there. This was only $2.99. I actually got it from Maxx. I thought it was super cute as well, just because it fit in my color scheme. So, and I thought this can go in the little corner next to this, so it like plays off of each other. So that's what I got from there. And the last item, well, last two items. So this flower vase, this is like it's like a grayish blackish color. I got it from Maxx from the clearance rack, and it was only $4. These flowers here, these came from the Dollar Tree. Y'all know the Dollar Tree always have some really cute fake flowers. So I got these two just to go in here. So these three items actually sit, and I'll show you guys a little clip of how I put these three items next to each other, how they look so cute next to each other. But yeah, so these 3 items go hand in hand with each other. So that's what I got from TJ Maxx, Burlington's, and of course Ikea. I highly recommend, if you have an Ikea close to you, go to Ikea for home decor stuff. They sell furniture, they sell all kind of stuff, but very cheap. They're very affordable. My purchase, everything that I got from Ikea actually was under $40, and I got 2 picture frames, the flower, the racks, the little holders, and a table, all for less than $40. So yeah, that concludes this home decor haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want me to do more videos like these, because I'm always at the store buying something new, something always catches my eye, so I can just have things over time and show you guys what I got, where I got it from, how much I paid for it. If you guys want to see that, let me know down in the comments below. I'll try to give you new content every Sunday, fingers crossed, every Sunday. So make sure you are subscribed, that way you won't miss out on those new videos. Again, I will be having some projects coming up with what I bought from Ikea. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.